Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BABA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one. Big volume, big price movement all over the place, and definitely, quite a few eyeballs going to be watching this one moving forward. But just to summarize today's price movement in trading jargon, this was, what would be known as a gap and trap. What do I mean by that if maybe you're new to the markets? Well, on Wednesday, the price closed down there, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And in this situation, very respectable, very nice-looking gap up. And then that's where things got savage because the opening bell rang. There was a bunch of poor souls that were buying all around this area, and you can see from there, basically all selling pressure the rest of the day as a lot of downwards momentum showed up. So, yeah, that's the gap and trap that's taking place, which now brings about a couple of very, interesting dynamics. The first one being, is this level going to hold down there at 222? Now, to be fair, maybe 222 doesn't even get tested. But like I said, I'm stating a pretty obvious thing when I say, yeah, there's very clearly a lot of downwards pressure that has shown up. So for me to think that the price could make just a little bit further downwards to 222, not a guarantee, absolutely not. But is it at least reasonable? Is it at least a rational thought to have? Yeah, absolutely is. And there's going to be a lot of people watching 222 because when you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see that generally speaking, that has been a very important level of support. So like I said, if the price does get down there, going to be a lot of curious people. If the price does not hold above it, the next key level of support would then be down there right around 220.50. But to be fair, maybe this thing all of a sudden starts to turn itself around. So in that event, where are these main levels of resistance at? And the first key level of resistance is going to be right up there at 226.50. So keep a very close eye on that if, like I said, the price does try to turn itself around. But as of right now, very apparent, a lot of downwards pressure has shown up. But we'll see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.